Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we'll see English Prime. Students, in English Prime, we'll start new chapter number 7. Our new chapter is Grandpa's Farm. Students, I think you all know what is the meaning of grandpa. Grandpa means grandfather. Okay? So today we'll see Grandpa's farm. And what is the meaning of farm? Farm means a land or place where animals live. So in this chapter we'll see that grandfather has kept some animals with him and also what those animals do for him. I think you all have understood. Now let's see the chapter. See, first page is to look at the picture. Now what you have to do, a picture of some animals is given and below that names of animals with boxes is given. Now what you have to do, you have to see the picture, guess the animals, search their name below and put a tick in front of them. See, for example, picture of cow is there. A cow is there in the picture. Now below animals' names are given. You have to search the place where cow is written. In front of that a box is given. You have to put a tick. Now in second line, first word is cow. So put a tick in front of cow. In the same way, picture of horse is there. Now search below where is horse written. Horse is in the second line, third word. Third word is horse. Now put a tick in front of horse. In the same way, you have to do all. You have to guess the name of animals, search the name and put a tick in front of it. I think you all have understood. Now, let's start the chapter. See, Tony and Tina are going to their grandpa's farm. Tony and Tina are siblings. Siblings means brother and sister. So Tony and Tina are going to their grandfather's farm. Now in the second picture they have reached to their grandfather. Grandfather is welcoming them, and what Tony is saying? Tony is saying that he wants to meet the animals. Where are they? Now in the next picture, grandfather is taking both Tony and Tina to animals. First they went to dog and its pups. Now see what Tony is saying. Tony is saying, Tina, look at the litter of pups under the big mango tree. They are so cute. What is there? A big mango tree is there, and below that litter of pups are there. Students, do you know the meaning of litter of pups? Pups means baby of dog. Okay? And litter of pups means at one time when many pups took birth, they are called litter of pups. Understood everyone? And all the pups are looking very cute, so Tony and Tina are happy to see them. Now in next picture, grandfather is taking the children to hen. Now what the hen is doing? Hen is sitting on her eggs. What grandfather is saying? Grandfather is saying the children to help him in collecting the eggs. Now in the next picture, the children went to cow, rooster, pigs and the horse. First they went to cow. What is the name of cow? Cow's name is Milky. And Tony is saying, "Hi Milky, how are you?" Whenever we meet anyone, we ask, na, "How are you? Hello, how are you?" In the same way, when Tony meets the cow, he asked, "Hi Milky, how are you?" The name of cow is Milky. And what Milky is replying? Moo. The sound of cow is moo. After that, both the children went to rooster. And when rooster saw them, it said, "Cock-a-doodle-doo." The sound of rooster is cock-a-doodle-doo. Next, grandfather took the children to Pinky. And who is Pinky? Pinky is the pig. Children, listen to Pinky. She says, "Oink, oink, oink." What is the sound of pig? Pig says, "Oink, oink, oink." And she rolls in the mud with her little piglets. What is the meaning of piglets, children? The baby of pig is called piglets. Okay? So, the pig, whose name is Pinky, with her piglets is rolling in the mud and they are saying, "Oink, oink, oink." Now next, the children went to meet Glider. Now who is Glider? Glider is the horse. What Glider used to do? What a horse used to do? It used to carry and transport things. Students, do you know what is the meaning of transport? Transport means to take things from one place to another. And horse do this work for grandpa. Horse used to carry the things which are there on the farm, like eggs, wool, vegetables. It carries in the cart and pulls it to the market. Now next the children went to visit the duck. What the duck was doing? The duck was swimming towards the children with her ducklings. Students, you know who are ducklings? Ducklings are baby of ducks. So, and what they used to say? They used to say doodle. Sorry, they used to say quack quack. And the name of duck is Doodle. So, Doodle the duck. Name of the duck is Doodle and she is swimming towards the children with her ducklings. Now the children were not able to see the ship and they were asking grandfather that, "Grandfather, where are the ship?" And the grandfather replied that they are with the shearer and he is shearing them. Now students, what is the meaning of shearer and shearing? You know na that we get wool from sheep. So the person who cuts the wool from the sheep is called shearer. The person who cuts the wool off from the sheep is called shearer and cutting of wool is called shearing. Okay, so in this way the children met all the animals on the farm, and in last they with their grandfather sat on a tractor and went for a ride. And what they do? They sang a song and have a lot of fun. So here the story ends. Now I have given you some difficult words. Your first word is grandpa, 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 Litter, litter, Collect, collect, Piglets, piglets, Transport, transport, Cart, cart, Carry, carry, Shearer, shearer, Shearing, shearing, Tractor, tractor. Next is your word meaning. The first word is transport. Transport means take things from one place to another. Second word is shearer, one who cuts the wool of the sheep. Third is shearing, cutting the wool of a sheep. Now some homework is there. Read the lesson carefully. Learn all difficult words and word meaning with spelling. So children, read the lesson and do your homework carefully. Thank you.